Hello, I am Advait Vijishner and I study in 4th grade. I've completed the Scratch AI course of Roboprenr, and in today's class I have made a project called the Smart Home AI. In this project, you can control the fan, lights, and TV of the home using either like by typing the text or by saying your commands to switch them on or off. Like if you press the flag button, it shows a text box where you can type the commands like switch off the lights. Now the lights are off. But if you press the space button, switch on the TV. So now it has switched on the TV. So, like this, you can give many other commands using your voice, and it can switch on or switch off any of these appliances in the home. The project is based on NLP, where the AI system can understand the natural human language. I hope you like my project. Thank you.